Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about something new. So I'm going to talk about a crypto, a DeFi crypto called REN. Now, this particular crypto has been doing pretty well lately. The prices have been going up. And so I thought I will try and dissect this particular crypto to see, where it stands in terms of both investment as well as if there is a developer who's looking to develop this particular crypto, so it's a DeFi application using this particular crypto. So that's so those are the two important, reasons why I wanted to do this particular video. So take a look at it. What I'll do is I'll tell you more about REN, and then also I'll tell you why REN has a great potential for both investment as well as for the developers. So let's get cracking. Before that, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my videos. So let's dive in. So the first part, which is what is REN? So like I said, it's a relatively unknown crypto. It's been in the market for a little over a year now, but the price of REN has jumped tremendously. So that's why we are talking about REN today. So what is REN? So REN crypto is a Ethereum-based token that powers REN's open protocol network that can be used for transferring cryptocurrencies between different blockchains. So that's a great solution because investors usually had problems when it came to transferring cryptocurrencies between different blockchains. So let's say from Bitcoin to Ethereum, or from something else. So let's say Doge to Ethereum, or whatever that is. So that was always a challenge. Now, REN promises to find a solution to that and offer that to investors. So now, the team behind REN aims to bring popular assets like Bitcoin and Zcash to blockchains like Ethereum, like the proposition is, making it possible for these crypto assets to participate in multi-chain decentralized ecosystems. So that is the big offering that REN brings to the table. But believe it or not, the idea of REN, or idea of a decentralized multi-chain decentralized ecosystem where you actually do the interoperability of multiple blockchains, was not the initial focus of REN. So the team behind REN started building a centralized dark pool. So what is a dark pool? But it's where the orders are executed in blockchain, but they are hidden. So they started building a decentralized dark pool in 2017, but later decided to focus more on the interoperability between different blockchains because they saw a huge opportunity there. So recently, the Zen protocol launched their Polygon bridge, which caused their price to go up dramatically. So there you see, it's actually trying to scale horizontally and offer across multiple blockchains. So which is always good because they're essentially trying to increase the adoption of their application. So now let's try and figure out what are the reasons why I think REN has a great future to be a star. The first, so any app based on Ethereum network that can use REN's interoperability layer in their smart contract. That means it is going to be, scaled horizontally. So it'll be open to all apps which are looking to you have that layer of smart contract on the Ethereum network. So that's again, like I said, increasing the adoption. The decentralized app developers, the DApp, can smart contracts into their apps to utilize Ren's cross-chain liquidity and make use of other crypto assets like BTC, BCH, and Zcash. So again, you increasing the adaptability using the horizontal scaling. While this tech behind Ren protocol is quite innovative, as of now, it has very niche applications because it's only restricted to that particular interoperability across the multiple blockchains for smart contracts using the Ethereum network. So Ren uses sophisticated cryptographic algorithms to facilitate the exchange of some digital currencies between blockchains without the use of cumbersome counterparties, such as wrapped tokens. Again, a big plus. Ren promotes the transfer of other cryptocurrencies such as Doge to Ethereum network and the Binance Smart Chain. Again, increasing the scalability of the application. Now, Ren also plans to add more cryptocurrencies in order to potentially merge the whole crypto environment. Like I said, good thing. Dark node operators earn commissions from transaction processing. So that should actually encourage them. So that should imply some users would be encouraged to run dark nodes in order to collect commissions in more popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoins and Ethereum. So those are the great plus points for Ren to be a successful application both for investors as well as for developers. So investors could go and invest in that application, and developers could use fantastic solutions on that platform and offer it to people who are clients, customers who are looking for such solutions. So that's pretty much what I felt were the reasons why I think Ren has a great future. If you're looking to invest in Ren, please do more research and figure out where the prices are. Today, the prices are low, so you may want to get in if you see an opportunity there. And if you're a developer, look at developing applications on that platform. I can tell you it's a great solution because this particular solution is in the crypto market, smart contract market. So that's what I had to share with you. On the card above, I will also share a video on Stellar Lumens XLM, which I've been talking about Stellar Lumens quite extensively over the last few days. In one of the videos, I spoke about where I see the price of Stellar moving. I definitely see it crossing the $1 mark in the next few months and possibly even $10 mark in the next 2 to 4 years. I'll put that video on the card above. Take a look at that video. So, as you know, I have a free ebook for you to get. It's on my journey as an entrepreneur. The book is titled Six-Figure Corporate Job to Master Entrepreneur. So, in this particular book, I have spoken about my journey as an entrepreneur after I quit my six-figure globetrotting corporate job in 2010 and how I built 2 companies in 2 different countries with representations in the US. You will get to know the story behind my success. You would also get to use worksheets. I put on 3 worksheets to try and decode where you are really in a position to become an entrepreneur if you are looking to becoming one. So that's kind of a top line mental mind mapping. And I've also put down scores, so you could score yourself and see where you stand. There are three stages, parts to the scoring levels, or three levels, I would say, and see if you really stand a good chance to becoming an entrepreneur. The good thing is I've also scored myself based on my thinking back in 2010, and you would get to know how much I scored there. You would get that this ebook on the URL, which is flashing on the screen, which is on my website. I'll put that in the description box below. You will have to put down your name and email address, and the link to download the ebook will be emailed to your inbox. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for listening to me. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital and technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. I'll put down my LinkedIn URL in the description down below so that you could connect with me. I regularly work with clients on trying to find solutions to their challenges in business, marketing, investment, and technology. If you're looking to engaging me as your consultant for your company, please drop me a line on LinkedIn after you've connected with me, or write to me on contact page of my website. URL to that will also be there in the description box below. I will reach out to you soon, and we'll get into a conference call on your requirement. So that's it. Please like my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Please smash that notification bell, and please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my videos. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye.